Well, good morning, Yuriki. For in case you don't know, my name is Yuri, and I'm making and posting these videos for myself, as well as anyone else that might find this content useful. And I started making these videos so that I can rate myself. I want to check the accuracy of my predictions that I made on the previous video. But apart from that, I just started getting tired. And had enough of endless predictions and watching endless videos on YouTube that either tells me that the price will go up or down, or on this day I said this and on this day I said that, even if that prediction was done years ago or months ago. Neither do I want to watch a 20 or a 30-minute video to find out that it's not really giving me the information that I'm looking for. I'm worried about what's going to happen today. I want to get in and out of my trades as quickly as possible, but I want to do that with correct predictions or correct prediction levels, and I want them to be profitable. And this is my attempt in making a video that I would love, or making the type of video that I would like to love to see. The sound and the video quality of this might probably not be that good, but it will have to do for now because basically that's all I've got. Anyway, Yuriki, so without any further ado, let's jump right into this and let's start off with where you ended yesterday. You ended off your prediction at this line over here. It was roughly about 4, 20 past 4 yesterday morning. At that stage, the price was at 27,560. So that would have been more or less over here when I drew that triangle. It was about there somewhere. Let's put my mark on there. It was around there somewhere. You drew your triangle, Yuriki. You connected your lines, and you said that you believe that the price will go down. Price at that stage was 27,560. Price this morning is 27,340. So you were correct in your prediction that the price will go down. On my own current position that I was in at that stage, I went in and I was in a short. Where am I lying? I'm lying actually. I was in a long. I was in a long position at that I went into at 24, 27, 400. Let's call it 480, or more or less around there. And I said that I will wait for the price to come down yesterday. I believe that it could go down as low as 27,100, which it did not. It went down to 27,277. Let's call it 27,300. So I was up by about $200 on how low it went, but it did go down exactly as predicted. I also said that if the price would go up, that is now for my current position. I said that I would take another entry at 27,750, and I said that around about 8 minutes and 10 seconds into that video. So after I made my prediction video yesterday morning, the price did go up a bit. I said that I would add to my short at 27,750. I missed that by $20, and then the price went down, which was exactly what I expected. My position at 27,400 went into a profit, and I took profit as the price went down. It was a couple of times actually that I moved my take profit, and I eventually took profit. I was hoping for it to fall through this line, which it did not. But when the price went back up, my took profit kicked in, and I went out at 27,300, which was not a massive gain, but at least a gain for something like 7 or 8%. I also said that at that stage the price was 27,560. I said if I was not in a position, I would do one of two things. I would either put in a long at 27,350, right about over there, or I'll put in a short at 27,750. If the price went up with another $20, that would have kicked in and the price would have gone down. If I put in another one, which I did, if I put in another one at 27,350, I believe the price is going to go up. It did. To profit again, and it went down again. So currently I am in, yeah, I was basically right about 3 times yesterday. So well done on that one, Yuriki. So what does that do for your track record? I have now made and posted 17 videos. Of that 17 videos, 12 was correct, 4 was neutral, where the price just stayed the same as it was the previous day, and 1 was incorrect. So that leaves me currently with a winning ratio of 94%, which I am ecstatic about. I'm really happy about that, and I hope it will continue. So what do I think is going to happen today? I do not think this triangle is finished yet. I can still draw a triangle, so I'm moving my lines basically again from the bottom of just the next candle of the previous move. I'll move this one, and Yuriki, as you can see, you can still draw a perfect triangle, or something that at least resembles a triangle. That is pretty much the same. So from what I can tell, it is now currently it's basically 4:30 in the morning. The price is currently 27,350, and my prediction is that the price will go down today. And the only reason why I'm saying that is normally if I use the center of that of a triangle and the price is currently below the center, then it normally goes down. So I believe it's gonna go down today. I believe it could go down as low as 26,800. But what I will do is, because I'm currently in a position at 27,400 where I went in, which was roughly over here. I'm currently down about 2%, which I'm not concerned about because remember, Yuriki, this is not a sprint. It's not an emotional game. If you enter any trade with an emotion, then you should rather not be trading at all. So I am expecting, what I will do is I will wait for the price to come down. And the moment that it does, I will start taking profit as soon as I can. I'll even start taking profit at 27. I actually want to add to okay. So what I'll do is I will add to my, I went in at 27,400. I will add to my short at 27,250, which will move my price down and my profit up. The moment that I get into profit, I will put in a take profit and I would ride it up from there. If I was not in a position, I will first wait for it to see if it is going to break this line. If I get a 4-hour candle close above this line or under this line, I would either go into a short or a long at 27,250, but it all depends on what that 4-hour candle does first. And with that, Yuri, have a wonderful day and check in again tomorrow.